Here's a 70s classic you're not going to see every day. No doubt about that. It's a 1976 Chevrolet Vega coupe with a hatchback. And listen to this, numbers matching. Original engine underneath the hood, 2.3 liter, inline 4-cylinder. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome in the front of this car. Headlights, grille. Of course, 76 with the Vega and Chevy bow tie on the emblem. Paint code 13, silver metallic, ivory or white interior, and an A51 bucket seat car. Go ahead and check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels, center caps, beauty rings, and brand new radial tires just put on at all four corners. I did notice a little spot kind of the lower portion of this door, and you'll see it in the still pictures too. Maybe a little bit of prior work showing. Paint does have a nice shine to it on the majority of the car. One little touch-up spot I'll show you back on the front of the car when we get around to the driver's side, but overall paint has a nice shine to it. This would be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Not going to see one of these at every show you go to, no doubt about that. There's your bucket seats, ivory or white vinyl. Little aftermarket AM, FM cassette player has been added. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Come around to the rear of the car, take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. We do have a little, I don't know, pitting if I'd call it that, but a little markings on that rear bumper I want to make you aware of. All right, a few notes from the technician on this one. I mentioned it does have new tires, all four corners. Carb has been rebuilt. Catalytic converter is intact. Also has newer exhaust components, basically kind of from the cat back, I believe it was, and then the muffler exhaust pipe. Take a look at the underside pics and check out the floor plans and how it looks underneath on the underside. Pretty darn clean. Also a new battery, new radiator, brakes straight, 80% in the front, 70% in the rear remaining on the brakes. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like unique cars, no pun intended, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. As you can see, driver's side shows well. Again, paint has a nice shine to it. A little bit just bubbling on that lower portion of that front fender. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look good. Boy, not a lot of discoloring on that armrest or anything like that, considering this is a 76. Take a look at the condition of the seats. The piping is not really worn through. And you'll see over 100 pictures of this car online. You'll get a picture of the interior from every angle also. Odometer reads 26,647. I cannot confirm or deny if that's original. It wouldn't surprise me if it was, judging by the interior of this car, under the hood, and the undersides. But once the car is a certain age, it's marked exempt on the title as far as the miles recorded on there. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. You can see the top of that dash in nice shape. So AM, FM, cassette player. That is working.
Today for a free demonstration.
Aftermarket stereo underneath.
625-2844. If you're looking for something fun to do.
Of course, shifter on the floor with that automatic transmission. Some Heartbeat of America rubber floor mats added, and you'll see the carpeting under those floor mats in the still pictures. How about headliner looking good? Nice shape. The slipper out of the back seat here, how this sounds. That door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. say that sounds as you would expect. Again, 2.3 liter inline 4-cylinder, the original one of this car, numbers matching. You're going to see that in the still pictures where it's stamped on the block. And I tell you what, let me pause this a second, and we're going to go ahead and pop this hood so we can take a peek underneath there. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, there's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. You can see new aluminum radiator, power steering, inline 4-cylinder, new die-hard battery. Slip around to the other side. There is a battery disconnect for when it's in storage room between drives. Pretty clean, original looking engine bay. Take one more peek. '76 Chevrolet Vega 2-door hatchback. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1976 Chevrolet Vega. This one looking good in silver. White or off-white interior. An automatic right here on the center hump here. Our turn signal indicator's working. Speedometer's working. The blower motor also works on this car, and the radio. Road gear, aftermarket. I have not tested cassette, but the FM is working. Horn is working. Not a bad looking dash. Really seems like a well-maintained car. These cars are light and little, they react nicely on the road. Honestly, it'd be a fun one to throw a V8 in. Even more fun if it were a 5-speed, but an automatic is easier to drive. Just put your foot down and go. Better for parades. The back seat folds down. It's a hatchback. You can even bring a TV home with this. Our fuel gauge reads a half of a tank. Brakes smoothly, brakes straight. These cars are kind of known for getting mileage during the era of the gas shortages in the 70s. This car corners nicely. As I was saying, they're light, so they're kind of nimble on the road. And when's the last time you saw one that was solid and clean like this car? Check out all the pictures of this 76 Chevy Vega at uniqueclassiccars.com.